You can also really put your signature on the tracks. There we go. Let's go for this sound. Always try what happens when you pitch them down by a few octaves. You can get really great results. When you pitch it down, quite heavy, maybe even more. So I'm gonna just duplicate this, but use it in a different way. And let's go down an octave or more. This part, we have some space left. Let's have this one open, like a row. Just randomly, I don't know, just maybe you have some happy accidents.